today I am going to tell you can make the instance in the EC2 by using the AWS. So first of all, you will make account. It's a simple process, and after making the account, you will directly to this page where you have to click on the dashboard, and here we will scroll down to launch the instance. Take some time for loading. Okay, I will enter the name I web server. So scroll down as I am using the free tier, so definitely I will try to choose the free tiers. Here I will select the option and then I will scroll down. It's loading. So here we go. Here we got username, and here we got the free tier available. It's 43 micro. We will leave this option as it is tier. Then we will scroll down. We create new key pair. I will name it as like my key. So it's a .pm key. Click create key, and here the your key is downloaded. We will need it later, so save it properly. Then we will move down and allow HTTPS traffic from the internet, and we will also allow this one. So we will scroll down, cloud information, and we will for TPA3 and leave it as it is. Here the free tier customers can gain 30 GB. So I will scroll down. Yes, everything is alright. So here I will click the button launch instance. Here it will take some time. It's loading and starting. The options I have selected, they will give me the free instance and free usage for 12 months, and it's 30 GB of storage along with 8 GB of RAM. So here I will try to connect to the instance. Loading. Yeah, this is my big IP address, and connect with connect endpoint or instant connect. So for connection, you have to install the git bash. I have already installed. You can install it. It's easy to install. It's not a rocket science. Here we got it, and we paste this command, and here we will replace our key, and my key name is mykey.pem. So I will replace it mykey.pem. I will go back to my dashboard and success. I will go to my instances. So you just have to copy over this address. I will copy it up. I will replace it with this one. and I will run it. Paste my address. This is my address. Sorry, it's not pasted. I will try to do it again. Yeah, it's not pasting. I have to write it manually. 16 dot, sorry, 13.53.71. 13.53.71 dot triple one dot 123. Yeah, I will click enter. The authenticity of host, yeah, we will click it yes, and here we go. So here we can add the folder if we want to, and we can add our files. Let's suppose we got like 3 to 4 files, HTML, index, or any file. We can add them here, and like we can host them. For hosting, we have to add we have to go into the security sections, and we have to add like the protocols. For example, if let's suppose our website, yeah, our server is running on and this address, and it's like on port 3000. So we will go into the security tab, and we will add it up there. So that's it. This was the all video about creating the instance, and that's it.